Hello, I'm Z. I'm again with you. I'm here to solve the math problems together with you. Listen to me carefully. Imagine you have 10 books in your bag, and you gave one of them to your friends. And how many books do you have now? Yes, you are right. Now you have 9 books in your bag. Now I'm going to ask the next question. Imagine there are 7 chickens in your garden, and you have sold 4 of them to your neighbor. Now, how many chickens are there in your garden? Yes, you are smart. Now, there are 3 chickens in your garden. Now the next question. Imagine there are 12 ducks on a farm, and the farmer gave 5 of them to his neighbor. And now, how many ducks are there on the farm? Think carefully. You are right. If your answer is 7. Cause 12 minus 5 is 7. Well, now let's talk about transport. Imagine again. Your cousin has 3 cars. He gave one of his cars to his friend. Then he bought 2 cars. Now, how many cars does he have? Very nice answer. Now your cousin has 4 cars. If you are not tired, we will continue. Wow, I'm far from you now. Let's solve the next math problem. Imagine there are 30 trains in your city, and 16 trains left the city. And now, how many trains are there in your city? Think carefully. Yes, you are absolutely right. Now there are 14 trains in your city. Well, next question. A shipbuilding plant produces 200 ships in a year and exported 80 of them to another country. And now, how many ships are there in the plant? Think and guess the correct answer. Yes, now there are 120 ships in the plant. Now I'm going to ask you the last question. Well, imagine the company has 25 buses, and the company sold its 15 buses to another company. Now, how many buses does the company have? I think you will give the correct answer as usual. Yes, you are right again. Now the company has 10 buses. Dear my friends, thanks for watching me and for your all correct answers. Subscribe our channel for more videos. And don't forget to press the like button.